There's an extra bit on page 15. It talks about mounting the servo. Basically, there's servo nuts on this side, and just basically put your bolts straight through. Don't forget to put the rubbers on the actual servo. And I've mounted the ball link second hole away. I've tested, that's exactly where its dead center is, and I'm going to mount that onto the helicopter. I'll show you in a sec. So you just need to make sure that it's all the way forward into there, and mine ends up being straight up and down almost at that position to line up the push rod, which I'll show you in a moment. Okay, so basically put the linkage rod in. I'll just show you how I get this to be 90 degrees, well, very close to it. I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so this is just looking at the tail. Basically what I look at is the top of that to be totally flat. So when I get it to exactly flat, it's pretty hard to tell, but on video that is. Okay, then I come across to my servo, and you see my servo is pretty well spot on. The rest will be just adjusted with the gyro, so that takes care of the tail servo.